In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can connect Cloud AI to TradingView just in few seconds. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get started. So first, you need to go and open your Cloud AI account like this, okay? And what you will do, you will click here on Customize, okay? Then click on Connectors like this. And it's gonna take you to this page here. You will click on this icon over here and click on Add Custom Connector, this one, okay? Like this. And what you will do here is you will name it, for example, trading. Let's name it trading view like this, okay? And here you need to add the TradingView website link, okay? So go to TradingView website and copy the link from here like this, and go back to Cloud AI and put the link here. And here you go. So you just need to click over here on add, and your TradingView will be connected to Cloud AI. That's how you can connect Cloud AI to TradingView. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.